Today we have a 2003 Ford F-150. We'll be replacing the front brake pads. So to replace the brake pads on this F-150, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and break the bleeder valve here with a 3/8 wrench. Just go ahead and just break it just to loosen. Once we do that, we're going to use number 13 to remove 2 bolts, one here and one here. So let's get these 2 bolts out and get this caliper off here. Alright, also I got the caliper off and I have my brake caliper tool here to depress the pistons. We're just going to break open the bleeding valve here and pretty much crank this until these pistons are all the way down. But also before we do that and before I put the new pads on, I'm going to come over here and pull these little sleeves back right here and pull these out on the top and the bottom and re-grease these here. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-grease these, bleed those, throw in some new pads and put the caliper back on. Now before I hear a whole why didn't you replace the rotor, why didn't you turn the rotor, the customer didn't want to do it. That's the only thing I can say. So if he didn't pay for it, I'm not doing it. So let's go ahead and get all this back together and we'll be done. So I have the new brake pads here. They only go in one direction, so pretty much just slide them in. I've already re-greased these, so I'm just gonna throw this caliper back on and tighten it up. Alright, so I slapped the new pads on, tightened down those 213s, and I'm pretty much done with putting the brake pads on. Like I said before, yes, it does need a new rotor or resurface, but they're not doing it, so that's a whole other video. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos coming.